Today I'm going to talk about Cellular Recovery Skin Bliss Capsules, one of my personal favourites and an absolute desert island product. These are fantastic if your skin is challenged in any way. They are suitable for all skin types and particularly good if your skin is going through any stress, whether it's environment, taking a medication, or if you just want to give your skin that super detox. You apply the Skin Bliss capsules pink in the morning time, containing the rose, absolute and moringa oil. This is applied all over the face, the neck and décolletage area. You apply it after you've done your cleanse and tone and before you moisturise. For the evening time then, you're going to use your green lavender capsule. Again, you just break the capsule open and apply it directly onto a cleansed tone skin and underneath your moisturiser.